I think that's one thing that modern elementary schools, whether it's private or public schools, don't give kids as good a foundation in science and math as they should. Wow, Logan, that is impressive. That is impressive. That's amazing. Wow. That's one heck of a tower.
You stuck on 7 and 8?
I don't see how he does that.
Look at them.
He's doing a good job on these towers. Oh.
3